So the first example, we have to consider the following diagram of a circle with center O and diameter AB. Find the size of the angle ABC. So if you look at this diagram, on this arc we have an arc AC. We have a line going from A to B, or A to D, and then D to C, creating an angle of 44 degrees. The diameter A to B and chord B to C are also on the same arc. So that means this angle in here is the same as this angle here. So it's a 44-degree angle, as written here. So then we have to find the size of the angle AOC. So we look at AOC. So here we're looking again. This is a line that is going from A to O, O to C, and it's on the same arc as AC. So that means that this angle here in the middle is going to be double this angle here, which makes it 88 degrees. And then for part 3, find the size of the angle OCA. Well, this is an isosceles triangle. So we can say if that's 44 degrees, or we could say this is an isosceles triangle. Oh yeah, because it's AOCA, sorry. So this is an isosceles triangle. This is 88 degrees. We know it's an isosceles triangle because OA is a radius and OC is a radius. So 180 take away 88 is 92. You divide that by 2 and you get that each of this angle here and this angle here is 46 degrees.